Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a continuation of our series Scripted REST API. In this part 4, we'll take a look on delete operation. So stay tuned, watch it complete till the end. And also if you haven't watched the part 1, 2 and 3, go and watch it. I'll provide the link in the description. So in this implementation, we are going to take a look on delete operation. So in our scenario, we'll be deleting one incident record based on some unique identification, example like SysID. So I will simply click on all, navigate to scripted REST API. So I'll type in the application navigator, scripted REST API, and under the system web services, you can see that scripted REST API. So I'll simply open it. Now it is loading and I will click on new. It is loading and I'll provide the name, which is delete operation, delete underscore operation. And the moment I'll press the tab after typing name, it will take auto API ID will be auto populated. So I'll simply save it. Now, if I come to the security section, a default ACL has already attached, which is scripted REST external default. Under the content negotiation, if you have the content apart from that JSON or XML, you can simply override it by checking this box. And in the documentation section, you can simply provide the short description or any other document. Now I will come under the resource section and I will click on new. It is loading. And now here I need to provide the name. So I'll simply provide delete record and I will change the HTTP method type from get to delete. And here in the relative path, I will type incident, provide slash, and I will provide sysID in the curly braces. So this sysID will be the unique identification for the record which we are going to delete on the incident table. Now here I will declare one variable where param1 equal to request dot path request dot path params dot sysID. So in this param1, our sysID will get stored. So if you have no idea about path params or query params, I would recommend to go and watch my first video where I have explained about param query params and path params. Now I will simply glide to the incident table, new glide record, incident, and I will click on inc dot add query, and here I will provide the sysID and param1. Here I am comparing the sysID which is getting stored in this param1, and now I will check if this sysID is exist or not. So I'll query the table, and if inc dot next, then what I will do, I will inc dot delete the record with this operation. Now as of now we have deleted the record, but I need to show response body. So what I'll do, I will simply declare one empty array, one object. Now in this object we are going to declare three variables that will be returned as a response. So I'll take object dot number equal to inc dot number. I will take object dot sysID equal to inc dot sysID. I'll take object dot short description equal to inc dot short description, and what I'll do, I will simply push this object into array. So arr dot push object. Now I need to set the response body, so I will simply do response dot set body arr and I will save this. Now it has saved. Now it has saved. I need to test it out. So under the related links, I will click on Explore REST API. So it is opening. So it will open the REST API Explorer and take me to my method, which is delete record. Now here I need to provide the sys of any incident. So what I'll do, I will simply type incident dot list in the application navigator, and I will take the sys of any of the incident. Let's suppose for the third incident, we are taking the sys of third incident, which is 258. So I will copy the sys of it, and I will come back to the REST API Explorer, and here I need to provide the sys. Now I will click on send, modifying data confirm to continue. I will click on OK. Now it is loading. If you see the status code, which is 200, it means OK. Now the number is 2058. SysID is this which we provided, and description is org.mozilla JavaScript. So you can see that. So this is the incident number. So if I try to open it, you could able to see that record not found. So it means that it deleted the record and our scripted REST API delete operation worked successfully. So if you have any doubts, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.